another video. For today's video, we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing for July 2019. And if you're interested, keep on watching. Let's get on to the video. Today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing video. So this is July's box. I have not yet opened it, but I did cut the little seal off. But we're about to open and see what I got this time. So here's everything that's inside right here. So the first thing that we see is the skin bar at Ulta Beauty plus Elemis. It's a flash facial for $10. You make your appointment and they give you a $10 facial. You can either choose the Instaglow with Superfood or the InstaFirm with Pro Collagen. And then the next thing we see here is the pamphlet that shows all of the products on the back with the pricing. And this box's theme is Au Natural. Okay, so time to dig into these goodies. Okay. So the first thing we have on the very top is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It is a nourishing prebiotic green mask, advanced skincare. This is to feed the skin with the versatile super green mask formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils, rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. So here's the first item. The second thing that we have here is the Luxie brushes. These brushes include the Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending, Luxie 246 Precision Crease, and Luxie 510 Foundation Brush. So let's open these up. So here we have all three of the brushes. Foundation, blending brush, and precision brush. They all have like this pink bamboo finish towards the bottom of it, and they're really soft. Really soft. This one's a bit too big for my eyes because I do have hooded eyes, so I'm not sure if this will work for me for that particular area, but we'll see right now. And then the next thing we have here is the Butter London Eye Palette. Let's open this up. Here are all the shades inside. We have the Enchantress, Queen, Star, Diva, Temptress, and Femme Fatale. We only have 2 matte shades and the rest are glitter shades, shimmer shades. And then for our next item we have a Peel Gel Liner in Desert Taupe. And last but not least, we have the Alamar Cosmetics. And this is in the shade Mother of Pearl Gloss in Serenita. It's like a nice pink rosy shade. And it smells very tropical, like pina colada, I want to say, which smells amazing. Okay, so we're going to be going in with the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Facial mask applicator that I'm going to be using to apply this mask. Now that we have it applied, I'm going to be waiting 10 minutes for this to set, and then we're going to wash it all off and I'll give you guys my thoughts. It's been 10 minutes and I'm going to wipe this off. Gently. Now, while I'm wiping this off, I did like the sensation of it. It had like a tingly kind of feel, and it does mention that on the back of the bottle. And it smells amazing. Has a minty scent to it. Now that that's all wiped off, this does retail for $35. It's Get a Shot of Green Goodness with the treatment mask and nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. I give this a 10. It has an amazing scent. It feels great on your skin, and as you can see, I do have already a radiant type of, you know, glow to my skin. So going on to the next products, I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera, and then once I get to the Butter London eyeshadow palette, we'll be right back, so stay tuned. Alright, now that I have my foundation on, I'm gonna go in with some concealer and use that Luxie foundation brush to blend it all out. It's all blended out. I like the brush so far. Not for foundation. I don't like using brushes, well, that type of brush for foundation application. Now I'm gonna set everything, and we're gonna go on with the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna be using the large eyeshadow Luxie blending brush to set the concealer that I just set on my eyes. Okay, now that that's all set, since this is a neutral palette, I'm gonna go in with Temptress as my blending shade. I'm gonna attempt to use this large eye blending brush, but if not, I'm gonna have to go with something smaller. Okay, now that we have Temptress in the crease, I'm gonna go in with the Luxie Precision Crease Brush. I'm gonna just use it to pack on a shade on my lid, and I'm gonna go in with Enchantress. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of my MAC Fix Plus, just so that the color can pick up more onto the brush. So for the bottom of my lid, I'm gonna go in with Star. It's a nice green shade. Heel Gel Liner in Desert Taupe. It's a nice brown shade. And that retails for $21. Very pigmented and subtle. My thoughts on the brushes, they were amazing. I wouldn't necessarily use this one for my eyes because I do have hooded eyes, but I would most definitely use this as a highlighting brush. And then the rest of the brushes, they were also amazing. The palette itself is very pigmented, very subtle shades, very natural. And as for me, I do mostly apply natural looking makeup, so I'm definitely gonna be using this a lot this summer. And then for the last but not least item that we have in July's unboxing video is the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss in Sirenita. It's like a pink shade, and let's go ahead and apply this. This retails for $10. It's a juicy shade shifting lip luminizer drenched in pearlescent reflex. Formulated with rich sea buckthorn extract and camellia oil, the mother of pearl gloss will hydrate your lips while delivering a smooth, shiny, iridescent effect. Completely non-sticky. Wear it alone or over your favorite lip liner to lipstick. Gluten-free, talc-free, and always cruelty-free. Now this smells amazing. It smells very tropical. It has that pina colada vibe to it, and it's not sticky at all. And overall, from me trying this and their blush trio and the last Boxycharm, her products are amazing. Now I'm gonna give you guys a little zoom in to my eye look. So here's the finished eye look. Very subtle, very natural. The lip gloss is amazing. It smells delicious, and overall I love July's box, period. So far they haven't disappointed me, and I'm looking forward into making future Boxycharm videos. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And stay tuned for another couples challenge coming up very, very soon. Until next time, bye guys.